Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I am going to be swatching and doing a set. So if you want to jump to 551 and just watch the polygel set, by all means you can. So I couldn't help myself and I had to buy the 3 new glitter collections from Beetles. They are low smell, 9 toxic free gels and no harm to skin. They all come in the usual boxes and they are protected by that, it's like a sponge. I don't know what kind of material it is. But anyway, they come with the cover on top and then they also are held in it. And this here is the guidelines and the instructions and whatnot. And then you get your 6 colours. I, of course, bought 3 collections. So, of course, in total there are 18 gels we are swatching. I do speed it up a little bit, this swatching video, so that like it's a little bit sped up just because we had a lot to go through in this video. So yeah. So all the bottles come in this really nice thick glass, like a heavy duty glass, and there's instructions and ingredients on the back, and these are, I think they're 7.5 milliliters. They have really nice brushes. They're really creamy, even though they've got glitter in, they're really nice like texture, and they're not too thick or too runny, which is great. We are going to ignore my spelling though. I accidentally spelt iridescent wrong. I'm bougie, I accidentally put 2 I's. I have dyslexia, so we're gonna blame that, okay? So anyway, this is the first one and it is 844. And this lovely yellow, like lemon yellow glittery colour. And then they go through the numbers all the way up to 849 in this collection. This is the Glitter Jam collection, and it is really, really true to name because they do look like jams with glitter in. And you get some really stunning colours. That 847 is absolutely gorgeous, and so is 848. They all are, but this one I was like, yeah, I love blue. My favourite colour is blue, any sort of shades of blue. But this is like a teal sort of greenish blue, but still I love the colour. So yeah, so this Glitter Jam one I was very, very pleased with. They've only now just come onto the UK Amazon, so I was only now able to get them. So whereas they might be old to other countries, they're new to me. So anyway, this is the glitter one, like I said. And the next one we are going to do is Bougie. The Bougie collection is more like toppers that you would put over colours. This first one here is a gorgeous silver holographic. Then they are all holographic. Apart from the 768, which is like a linear sort of gold. But it's still very, very pretty and very elegant looking. But I was really happy with this collection, and I think that the colours are absolutely beautiful. So no complaints here. Look at that silver glitter one though. Oh, that was so pretty. So like I said, that these would be like toppers, but again, there's still a nice consistency in the formula considering there's glitters in it, because you know it's like a hit and miss with glitter not polygel, with glitter gels. It's like they'll either be too thick or like they'll be hard to move around, but this like it even like evenly puts the glitter out. It's really, really great. And then the last collection is the Iridescent Jelly collection. They are very sheer, but that's because they're actually a glitter jelly. That is the purpose of them, and they are beautiful. They are really good. All these colors would be perfect for summer. This Bougie one I think would be great for like Christmas nails. I don't know, I get like a bit of Christmassy vibe, but the Glitter Jam and the Iridescent Jellies collections I would say are definitely spring and summer. But you can wear any color any time of the year. I don't care. If you want to wear yellow in the winter, you do it. Like there's no arguing from me. So this is the Iridescent collection, the jelly one. I did do 2 coats just to make sure that it did come up on camera, but they are very sheer, and I would suggest 2 coats, but like I have no complaints. They are stunning. They have little specks of glitter in them. The yellow one is very bright. I can't believe I spelt iridescent wrong as well. I apologize. So anyway, I do use 819 and 820 in the set that I do. I will show you in a second. But yeah, these are all stunning. I'm so happy with my purchases, and I'll leave the links down below as well, guys, in case you want to try them, of course. But yeah, I was really happy with these, and I can't wait to use them again. But like I said, so I cured all of these for 60 seconds. I done 2 coats of the iridescent, and then I cured again for 60 seconds. I then top coated with the actual Beetles top coat. I didn't see the point in doing matte because they're glitters. So yeah. And I cured again for 60 seconds, and then I skipped on to the actual design. So Bathsheba suggested and asked if we could do a set with like a lemonade sort of set. So I thought, why not do a pink lemonade polygel by using the iridescent glitter polygels and basically mixing them into clear polygel. So that's why you can see my cart kit here. It's just got some polygels. This is actually on sale right now on Amazon for like £20, by the way, guys. So I'd highly recommend getting it because you get 230 milliliters of polygel, and you get like all the little bits that you need to do like a nail set. So you get apricot and clear, but of course I'm only using the clear in this one. So I will do like a more in-depth video on this actual little like tiny little carry set. It's quite great. So they all come sealed as well. So I just squeezed some clear polygel into my little mixing tub here. I put it in 2 separate corners, and I made sure that I'd put enough in there because of course I'm doing 5 nails. So basically what I'd done is I mixed the yellow iridescent and the pink iridescent from the Iridescent Jelly collection, and I just mixed them in and I created a jelly polygel. And you don't even need that much really of the gel. I think you could have gotten away with less than that. Well, I could have. So then I just use a spatula end of one of my tools and I mix it all together, making sure that it's all thing. I know it looks a bit like pee, but it does look good on the nails, I promise. So once this was done, I prepped my nail in this video just so you guys could see. And also I used the Emily primer in this instead of the Model 1's primer, and oh my god, guys, the nails took ages to come off, even with the peel-off base coat. I wear a peel-off base coat, and they were still like not coming off. So I would highly recommend trying Emily what's it called? Primer, because it seems very good. So because this is a pink lemonade set, I thought, right, okay, well, we can't do pink lemonade without lemon wedges. So I just chopped up a couple of FIMO pieces here to make it more realistic. So yeah, you wouldn't have like all big round pieces, you'd have like chopped up pieces and whatnot. So I basically just done that quickly, and I left a couple of full ones and so on and so forth. So I sized up my nails. I am doing the lazy tip method today, just because it was easier and I'm being lazy and there was so much to go through. I thought this would be like a better way to do the video. So that's the only reason I done it. But yeah, so we done all that, and then I do some cuticle prep. So I push back my cuticle. Remember, this is sped up, guys. You do not have to go this fast. So I pushed back my cuticle, and then I used the opposite end to scrape away any of the dead cuticle. Then I used my buffer to buff away the natural shine. I wiped away the dust and dehydrated my nail with some rubbing alcohol. You can also use 100% acetone if you don't have any rubbing alcohol. Also slip solution, that's rubbing alcohol essentially. Then I went in with that Emily primer, and wow, so great. I did then go in with a peel off base coat after. I couldn't get the nails off, guys. They lasted a couple of days, and then I had to soak the edges with acetone. Like, that's how good this primer is. So highly recommend. So yeah, once that was done, then I just I placed some base coat. Actually no, I applied base coat to my natural nail. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Once I'd done the prep, I applied some base coat to my natural nail and cured for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna let you guys just watch the rest of this prep now, and once I am done, I will be back. I had finished fully prepping my nails, guys, I then went in onto the actual tips themselves and I applied some base coat into the nails. And then what I do is I just press in some of these FIMO pieces randomly into the nail and cure for 30 seconds in my nail lamp. I do this to every single nail, so I'm not going to talk too much through it. So I'll be back in time when we start doing the actual polygel part, so I'll be back in a bit. I talk a lot in this video, sorry guys. So now using my spatula end of my what are these things called? My javelin spear tool, the brush picker tool. Okay, I scoop up both of the colours and I sort of just blend and marble them in together, just sort of creating an ombre sort of thing. I kind of didn't want it to be like perfect because it's lemonade and liquid is usually mixed together. That was my thought process. So I basically just filled the dual form with the polygel and patted it into place, and then I stuck on my finger at my nail. I say finger all the time and I mean nail, okay? So yeah. And I stick into the nail lamp then for 30 seconds and I cure. So yeah, sorry, my son was shouting and screaming then. Anyway, so I do apologise for that if you did hear that in the background. So now what I am doing is I'm actually pressing some more FIMO pieces into the polygel, but I kind of wanted it so it like looked like it was like in the background, so it looked 3D. Do you know what I mean? Like, because obviously like it wouldn't all just be sat at the front, it'd be like in the like lemonade. I hope that makes sense. So now I just pressed that onto my nail, cleaned up the cuticle and the back of the nail as well, and cured again for 30 seconds. I do this then to all of the nails, guys, pressing in random FIMO pieces in between. I do a full nail of the yellow, a full nail of the pink, and then I go back and do both nails on the thumb mixed again. And then I just quickly file around the edges because there's not much filing to do because it's the lazy girl method. I did put a glove on, by the way, because the polygel was... When you add gel to polygel, you're essentially adding more gel, and because it was clear, so there's like less acrylic powder, it was already like sticky, but when I put the gel into the actual polygel, it made it really, really slimy and sticky. So I stuck a glove on because I was getting it on my fingers, and like, you're not meant to get this stuff on your skin. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing a glove all of a sudden. So, and I'm quite glad because I actually stuck my hand into some uncured polygel literally the second I put those gloves on. I'm not even joking. What are the odds? So anyway, I just use up as much as I can now on the thumb, and I do exactly the same thing. But like I said, then I started filing and I buffed over the tops. Cleaned off with some alcohol, and then added the top coat and some cuticle oil, and then I was done, guys. So I'm actually going to leave it here on the voiceover, and I'm going to just let you watch the rest of the video because there's only like about 3 minutes left or something. But yeah, thank you for the suggestion. I really, really do appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope this, like, you know, this was good. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You do not have to, but if you did, it would really mean a lot to me, and I'd really appreciate it. I hope you're all staying safe. Keep on smiling, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks again, guys. Bye.